think about how you get the sensations in your hand. So you have different nerves and neurons and different sensory receptors in the skin which receive the signals from the from the external stimuli, and then that signal is transformed or is transmitted as in the form of electrical signal, and it goes to the brain, and brain makes a decision then what to do, and it results into the effect with the help of the contraction of the muscles or some other body systems. The neurons are specialized nerve cells that help you to gather information about your environment, interpret the information and react to it. It means that there are different receptors like touch reception, pain receptors, heat receptors. So all these receptors gather the information, and the neuron helps to transmit that information to the central nervous system. To perform its function normally, the neurons must have two important properties. The one is the excitability, the second is called conductivity. Now, what's the difference between these two properties? Excitability means the ability to respond to the stimuli. A neuron or the nerve can only perform its function when it has the ability to get excited or activated, in other words. If the neuron does not have an ability to generate an electrical current, it would not be able to transmit the message. Similarly, the second quality is the conductivity, which means that neuron, in addition to generate the electric current, it should be able to conduct or pass it on from one end of the neuron to the another end of the neuron, and then from one neuron to another neuron. Right? So the ability to generate an electrical current on a stimulus is excitability, and ability to transmit that electrical current from one neuron to another neuron and along the length of the same neuron is called conductivity. So if any of this property is missing in a neuron, so that neuron would be dysfunctional.